Hi, today we will be learning to make these beautiful leaves out of watercolors. I'm using a 300 GSM watercolor book, and the brush that I'm using is a Princeton round brush of size 6. So this particular leaf, I'm going to just lay my brush down flat to create the shape, and I'm just going to go about using different shades of green to create this entire one. You can create the leaves in varying sizes and also varying directions that will make it look a lot more realistic. For the next leaf, I'm going to take the darker green and laying my brush down flat, I'm going to create the shape on the left side and then a similar one on the right. You can do the way it's comfortable for you, from top to bottom or bottom to top. Now using the same color, we'll create the shape of a heart, an inverted heart to be precise. In this, I'm going to mix both the greens to create the effect. A thinner version of the second one we will create next. Laying it flat down, and now with ribbed edges as the next one. For the next one, I'm going to create a really long or a tall leaf, and I'm going to leave a little bit of gap in the middle. So you could create leaves like this, you don't always have to fill in the center part. Now another one is going to be with a lot of ribbed edges. You can look up different types of leaves, you can just place them right next to you and you can try replicating the same thing. Now that the base of all the leaves is done, we'll wait for this to dry before we add some details on top. So I'm going to use darker green in the areas which are light to create the small veins inside and add in details to every leaf here and there to give it the final look. The veins don't always have to go end to end, you can create them stylized. You can even decide to skip in a few if you want it that way. I hope you had a great time watching this with me. Do try these out. You can also follow me on Instagram, and when you recreate this, you can tag me over there so I can have a look at what you've created. Do subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates of tutorials that I put up every too often. Thank you so much.